Unlock the power of intelligent automation and build your own AI agents with Lovable. Navigating to the Lovable platform, let's begin by initiating the creation of a new AI agent. You'll find a dedicated section for building agents, starting with a clean canvas to define its purpose. First, we'll define the core behaviors of our agent. This involves giving your agent a clear name and a detailed description of its intended function. Think of this as outlining its personality and its primary goals. Next, we move to defining specific actions. Lovable offers an intuitive, visual interface where you can select and connect pre-built behavior blocks. These blocks represent various capabilities, from reading emails to fetching data from the web. To expand your agent's reach, we can integrate external APIs. This step allows your agent to interact with other services and applications, enabling it to perform a much wider range of tasks, like managing your calendar or sending notifications. Once the behaviors are defined and integrations are set up, it's time to train your agent by providing relevant data and examples. You teach the agent how to respond to different scenarios and execute its tasks effectively. With training complete, your AI agent is ready. You can now automate complex processes and build intelligent systems, all powered by Lovable's user-friendly platform and the unique capabilities of your custom-built AI agents.